is equal to 250 centimeter. 250 centimeter. The wavelength are given. Wavelength of light is equal to 600 nanometer. Then what is the resolution of the telescope? So resolution of telescope. So it is a simple one. Delta T naught is equal to 1.22 lambda by diameter of the telescope. So delta T naught is equal to 1.22 into 600 into 10 power minus 9 by capital T 250 into 10 power minus 2. So what will be the answer on solving this one? Solving, we get approximately it is equal to 3.0 into 10 power minus 7 radian. Right, question number 25 here, they have given a diagram here. So this is a plano-convex. So this is a plano-convex lens of refractive index mu1, and let us consider focal length is f1 also. And this is a plano-concave lens of focal length f2 and refractive index of mu2. Then what is the effective focal length? So what is the effective focal length? Okay. So here 1 by f effectivity is equal to 1 by f effectivity is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 here. Now what is f1 and f2 here? So here 1 by f1 is equal to mu1 minus 1 by capital R, because it is a convex, so I have to get the positive side. And 1 by f2 is equal to mu2 minus 1 by minus R. Since it is a negative plano-concave, we have to get the negative sign here. Now substituting here 1 by f effective, it is equal to 1 by f1. So mu1 minus 1 by r minus mu2 minus 1 by r. Now rewriting this one, this can be written as mu1 minus 1 minus, mu1 minus 1 minus mu2 minus 1 minus plus 1 by r. So here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. So therefore 1 by f effective. Therefore the effective focal length, it is equal to r by mu1 minus 8. I think already we have done that one. Okay. Sir, first of all, what is 8? So here, sine, this one will be the 30 degrees, right? So sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by A. So therefore, A is equal to, sorry, we need AO here. So therefore, cross multiplication AO or OA, it is equal to A by sine 30. So what is sine 30? Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 can be written as 2A. So therefore, what is AO? AO it is equal to 2A. Okay. Now what about sine 30 here? I want to calculate what is OB then. Sine 30 degree is equal to opposite side by, sorry, opposite side we don't know. So let us take the cos 30 here. Right. So therefore cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse OB. So therefore it is equal to OB value is equal to B by cos 30. Now what is B by cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So therefore 2B by root 3. Okay. Now here, since OB is traveling in a medium whose refractive index is, so this OB is not the optical path. What will be the optical path of OB here? Optical path. Remember, this is in the medium. The ray is traveling in a medium. What is the optical path? Optical path means instead of this one, in the same time, in vacuum, what is the distance traveled by the light ray? So therefore optical path of, right, optical path of OB is mu into OB. Mu times of OB. Now what is mu here? So I'm applying the Snell's law here. Applying the Snell's law at O. So at O, Snell's law apply this thing. Whatever you get here, 1 into sine 30, sorry, sine 60, it is equal to mu into sine 30. So therefore, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, it is equal to mu into sine 30, 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, so therefore mu is equal to root 3. So therefore, what will the optical path? Therefore, optical path of OB is mu into OB. What is OB into OB? Is mu into, what is mu here? Root 3 into 2b by root. So therefore root 3 and root 3 get cancelled, is equal to 2. So this is the optical path of OB. And AO is nothing but the optical path since it is traveling in anode vacuum itself. Right. So therefore here optical path of AB line. Therefore optical path of light ray. Optical path of light ray is equal to, what is AO? AO is nothing but 2E. And what is the optical path of OB? Optical path of OB is nothing but 2B. So therefore, what will be the option here? 2A plus 2B. Okay. What is the length equation now? Length equation is nothing but 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by M. So 1 by V minus 1 by U, it is equal to 1 by M. And what is the magnification formula? And also magnification is equal to V by U for a lens here. So మనకు కావాల్సిన గ్రాఫ్ బిట్వీన్ V and U కావాలి. అంటే U వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. U వెళ్ళిపోవాలంటే నేను U by V minus V by U, it is equal to V by M. So it is equal to minus V by U, it is equal to V by F minus 1. So V by U is equal. V by U is equal to minus V by F plus 1. Now what is V by U? V by U is nothing but M. So M, it is equal to minus V by F plus 1. Now they did not mention whether the image it is virtual, real, idantha mention cheyaledu na. So generalize chesi cheyalli. Now M, it is along the y axis, right? And here you are taking along the x axis V on this one. And then here we will get M into x plus 1. Plus 1 is the intercept of here. Okay, it represents a straight line. Now what is the M indicates? So here M indicates the slope, which is equal to tan theta. And from this here we can write 1 by f. I am taking the magnitude here, 1 by f. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇమేజ్ అనేది రియల్ వర్చువల్ అనేది ఏం మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి I am taking the magnitude here, right? So magnification is equal to, and sorry, this is not magnification, slope it is equal to tan theta తీసుకుంటాం. Now comparing this one, what is the slope here? Along the x axis we have considered the v, and the slope ఏమవుతుందన్న 1 by f కదా. అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ tan theta ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ఇది గ్రాఫ్, దీంట్లో నేను theta తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, మరి tan theta ఏమవుతుంది ఫ్రమ్ ద డయాగ్రామ్? సో ఫ్రమ్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ tan theta value it is equal, tan theta it is equal to opposite side value is c, by adjacent side is b, so therefore c by b. So tan theta it is equal to, therefore 1 by f it is equal to c by b. This implies f it is equal to Width is directly proportional to intensity. Remember, as the width of the slit increases, intensity also increases. Okay, so therefore here W1 by W2 it is equal to I1 by I2, which is equal to 4 by 1. Now we have to write I max. So I max by I min. So I max formula root I1 plus root I2 whole square by root I1 minus root I2 whole square. Now substitute here. So it is equal to root I1 is nothing but 2. So 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 whole square 9 by 1. So 9 by 1. This is the answer. Lies in the since the object lies in the water, what is the optical path of the object? What is the optical path of the object here? This is the distance of the object, which is nothing but 5 centimeter from the concave mirror. Now, so here the light ray will traverse towards the mirror here. So this is the path traveled in the water itself. Then what will be the optical path? So here, optical path of the object. Optical path of the object, it is equal to mu into 5 centimeter. So what is the mu value? Mu value is equal to 1.33. It is equal to 4 by 3 into 5 centimeter. So therefore it is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. Right? 20 by 3 centimeter. Means here, instead of the water, if I consider the object here, therefore the object lies at this position. This is the object position. Right? Instead of the liquid. Now, for the mirror, what is the object distance? Object distance, this is the object distance here. Right? In air or vacuum, what is the object distance? It is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. So here for a concave mirror, what is the object distance here for a concave mirror? For a concave mirror, object distance. What is the object distance? It is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. We have to find out the image formation and radius of curvature. Since it is a concave cavity, radius of curvature minus 40 centimeter. Therefore, the focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So mirror's equation. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So from this we can take here V is equal to U into F, U minus F. So U minus F by U into F here. So V is equal to, what is the U value? U value is equal to minus 20 by 3 into, sorry, reciprocal we have to take this one. It is UF by U minus into F. What is the F value? It is equal to minus 20 by U value is equal to minus 20 by 3 minus or minus plus 20. Now on calculating this one, the V value it is equal to, the V value it is equal to, what you will get here, V value, it is equal to, on calculating this one, you will get plus 10 centimeter. Right? Plus 10 centimeter. Means here, suppose this is A and this is the actual object here, but for the observer, since this is a mirror here, this is a mirror concept is just for just now, and here this is the eye, which is at 10 centimeter, and this one it is a 5 centimeter, right? But for the observer, this I1 lies in the denser area. Then what will be the optical path for this I1? That is what actually seen by the observer. So here, so therefore, I1 lies at 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 centimeter below the surface. Below the surface. So therefore, for observer, therefore the apparent depth. Therefore, the apparent depth of I1. Apparent depth of I1 it is equal to real depth. What is the real depth here? 15 centimeter by refractive index. What is the refractive index of the water medium? It is equal to 4 by. So therefore, apparent depth of I1 it is equal to 15 into 3 by 4, which is approximately 15 3 are 45, 45 by 4. It is approximately equal to 45 by 4. It is approximately equal to 11.25 centimeter. So finally, the image that is formed at a distance of from the apparent depth, it is equal to 15 by 3 by 4, 11.25 centimeter. Finally, 10 plus 5, 15. This is 5 here. The final image is seen by the observer directly. This is the final image.